All the barricades, I wanna know why they hold me back. Need a miracle to break me through, but I won't get back. If I was a real wonder, then I could save me from turning around, lift me off the ground, and one day I'm free. Yeah, I wanna be a real wonder. Heaven lift me up from under, wishing I could be some.
Buenos dias amigo, all over the globe. Today, nandito tayo sa Barangay Mangas in Alfonso, Cavite to showcase a 1.2 hectares farmhouse, Balinese inspired. But before start our house tour, I invite you all to hit that subscribe button and click that bell button to get you notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, Instagram, Viber, WhatsApp, Imo, and Ema by simply clicking the link below on the description box. You can also search us via Google at www.raymilada.com. Today, we are very blessed. We are very lucky dahil nakakita tayo ng isang napakagandang gem with a total land area of 1.2 hectares. Imagine, as you can see via drone, the property, no? Napakadami niyang fruit benches, napakadami niyang mga pine trees. So, you have a oversized swimming pool, and then you have a bungalow, dwelling unit, plus a 2 guest house, and you have a koi pond area. So, ang dami niyang features na mai-enjoy, no, ng isang homeowners kaya and isang investors. Of course, yung looking ng property, no, for this 1.2 hectares. So from here to Tagaytay City proper, like 15 to 20 minutes drive. So from here to Bayan ng Alfonso, like 3 minutes driving away. So napakaganda ng location, no? Napakaganda ng elevation as well.
Yes.
And of course, the environment, the ecology, no? Napakaganda. Kasi nakikita mo naman yung lithosphere, okay? Lithosphere.
The hydrosphere.
The hydrosphere. All right, so this property is a Torrens title with 2 Torrens title. Of course, and selling in the market for 90 million pesos. It's fully furnished. It's a fully furnished. Now, we will check out the outside. Okay? Outside muna. Which way first?
The outside.
The outside. And then the fruit benches.
Yeah.
Ang dami nilang mga kabayo, guys, no? Ang dami nilang mga dogs doon. Later on, no, pupuntahan natin. At ang dami nilang mga fruit benches. At apakaganda, no? Nagagawing parang events place itong rest house na to. Not only those things, kasi this 1.2 hectares is enclosed with perimeter fences. Now, let's go. We'll check out the swimming pool. So, na-miss ko to, guys, no? Let's go, Benji. Alright, so ito yung napakalaking swimming pool, di ba? Pwede kayong maghabol-habulan dito. Oh. Ayan. Ang laki at ang lapad, no? Very impressive. Imagine. So, ito yung pinaka-jacuzzi area. Plus, ito yung pinaka-swimming pool. This is a lap pool. Right, ang laki, no? Then, meron kang flat surface. Napapalibutan ka na napakadaming pine trees and fruit-bearing trees. And then, look at the house. Ayan yung bahay mo, guys. Wow, di ba? It's a massive. Yan po is Balinese-inspired property, talaga namang may exclusivity. Right there, okay. So, you have a space. Imagine mo, lahat ng kilos natin ay recorded. Lahat ng kilos, recorded. Kaya, guys, meron silang mga CCTV. And then, over here, so, meron kang gazebo. Ang ganda ng pinaka-flooring. Ayan, okay. Wow, ang ganda, di ba? Ang gandang wedding venue, no?
Yes.
And then retirement house, guys, sobrang nice. Okay. And look, oh. Even the ceiling design, pati yung mga poste nila, mga natural na poste. Ang ganda ng post. Ay, teka. Ayan, di ba? Wow, look at the post, guys. Ayan. It's coconut. Di ba? Ang cute.
Yeah, it's coconut.
Yeah. Alright, mayroon dito ang pinto. But this pinto, no, isn't stays. So, isn't included.
Dimension.
Alright, so, alright. May pinto po dito, guys. Alright. Sige, let's go.
Hindi kasama na.
Oh, okay, isn't included. Diba? Isn't included, yeah. Now, right here. Okay, let's go. So, ayan yung pinaka-fence. Alright. Dito sa side na to, ang dami niyang mga fruit benches. Alright, oh, ang daming mga lansones. Alright, ang daming lansones. May, iba-ibang klase, no? Iba-ibang klaseng mga prutas. Nandito, guys, no? Dito sa farmhouse, talagang hitik. Hitik at punong-puno. Okay? Look, oh, tingnan mo, let's go. Tingnan natin, no? Tingnan muna natin yung paligid before the other side. Okay, let's go, Benji. Wow, imagine mo, guys, no? Dito sa side na to, di ba? Ito yung pinaka bubble pool o sa massage pool. Alright, dito, guys. Ayan. Okay? Ang ganda, no? Shout out kay Mr. Chabet. Hi, Mr. Chabet. Alright. And then, shout out po kay Ma'am Pong. Ayan, kay Ma'am Pong. Then shout out po sa lahat ng ating mga viewers out there na palaging nanonood ng ating YouTube channel na i-entertain sila kahit nasa ibang lupalop ng daigdig, no? Thank you so much sa inyo pong pag-support. Talaga namang na-appreciate namin yan, no? Ngayon, umuulan, no? Para sa inyo talaga itong ginagawa naming house tour, farmhouse tour. At mamaya, pupuntahan natin yung 3 kilo, yung isang mangga. Ang tawag doon, di ba? Amazing! Kinilo nila yung isang mangga, guys. 3 kilo ang umabot. Pero yung maaabutan natin ngayon, yung mangga, bunga. 3 kilo yung bunga. Let's go. Okay. Yung bunga, okay. Alright, dito tayo, guys. Okay, so dito sa side na to, so this is the driveway. Driveway to, guys, no? Papunta doon sa pinaka main road. Now, dito tayo sa side na to. Okay. So, right here. Okay. Anong tawag dito, guys? Campsite or the bonfire place. Bonfire place. Alright, yan. Anyway, kung mayroon kayong helicopter, no? Pwede dito mag-land ng helicopter. What do you think?
Yes.
Dito sa side na to. Pwede dito, guys. Dito. Pwede dito yung helicopter. Then, meron kayo ditong basketball court, and then the gazebo again. Sus, kadaghan sa iro. Grabing iro, dagang kayo. Okay. Meron kayong kawa, no? Oh, di ba? Antigo, pero this one isn't stays. Isn't included. Kasi mabigat na to eh, di ba? So, madalang ka lang makakita ng mga ganitong klaseng mga ano. Now, okay, right here, the basketball court. Let's go, Benji. Maganda yung contour ng land. No, well-maintained. Hatang patag. Grabe, guys. Look. Wow. See? Ang daming pine trees, ang daming fruit benches, ang daming mga aso. Of course, right there. Okay, ang dami, no? Sobrang daming mga puno na may bunga na nakakain. Yun, napapakinabangan. Okay, now let's go dito sa kanyang manggahan. Okay, let's go. So if you are interested or anyone interested to buy this property, no, this is a 1.2 hectares. It's a Torrance title selling in the market for 90 million pesos. Guys, message us now. Gazebo. Alright. Right here, meron ka ditong jacuzzi. Let's go. Okay, yung motor pump ito. Okay, hindi dito yung daanan doon sa kabila. Okay, wait lang.
Good part, I made a mistake, but I'll try to make it up to you, my darling.
Look. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda, oh. See? Look. Oh, meron ka ditong jacuzzi area. Then meron ka ditong kubo. And then shower. Yung toilet mo ay nandoon sa other side. Cute, di ba? Nice. Okay. Ito yung sinasabi natin na ito, ang isang piraso nito umaabot ng 3 kilo. Pero ngayon parang 1/4 pa lang siya. Kasi ano pa lang to eh, bubot pa lang.
20 grams.
Ito, lumaki na. So, ilan ang puno? Tingnan nyo, hilera po yan, no? Naka-plat. Okay. Tinanim po yan yung mga manggang. Anong mangga to?
Carabao. Mango.
Kabayo?
Carabao.
Carabao. Right. Alright. Ang laki, guys. Imagine mo na mamumulot ka na lang. Kasi ang daming, nalalaglag. Ang daming kabayo. Alright. Okay, di ba? Ang dami, hitik sa bunga. Okay, dito sa side na to naman. Alright, so meron ka ditong, this is the staff house area. Nandun yung pinaka-toilet area, guys. So, during nighttime, may ilaw dito kasi ang daming mga solar lights. Okay, ilan yung puno dito, guys? So, tingnan mo to, no? Ayan, malalaki na. Lalago na po yan. Ito, lumaki na siya, guys. Okay, according sa caretaker, ang isa nito umaabot ng 3 kilo. Pero ngayon, dahil mga mura pa yan. Yan. Mura pa ba? Okay. Diba, nag-i-enjoy tayo, no, sa itong house tour. Diba? What do you think, Benji? Ito yung magandang house tour, no? This is a real time. The same time, no, if you are looking at property nearby Metro Manila, so we have in Antel Grand Village and Anyana, wherein we showcases house and the packages, commercial lot, shop houses, and kung meron kayong mga existing lot na magpagawa ng sariling bahay, ayan, message us kasi we have architects and engineers para sa inyo pong drawing and design. So, may tie-up tayong bank, the security bank. Let's go, Benji. Right here, let's go. Now, okay. So, ang dami, may nyog, may mangga, may iba-iba. Pero gusto kong dumaan dito, yung para kang ikakasal. Okay, let's go. Dito tayo, guys. Okay. Parang wala na pong ulan. Pakihawak, Noy. Thank you, Noy. Alright. Wow. O, diba? Tingnan mo, saan ka nakita ng itong halaman?
Dito lang, sa Pilipinas.
Wala, dito lang sa Philippines. Ang dami, oh. Wow. Oh, di ba? Oh, sumabit na tayo, guys. Yung camera natin sumabit. Okay, dito. See? Talagang mag-i-enjoy ka dito, oh. Imagine, ang ganda, di ba? Di ba? Alright. Okay, so shout out po sa lahat ng ating mga homeowners and lot buyers sa Anyana and Antel Grand Village. The same time, sa lahat po nag-invest ng property na through us. The same way, no? Thank you so much to our listing agents, to our brokers, and to the seller, no? Their capital asset na ini-entrust nila yung property through us, no? Fini-film natin, binablog natin, no? Tinutulungan natin sila, no? To ma-broadcast yung kanilang natatagong gem, no? In an open market. Pero imagine, ang ganda, di ba? Yes. Let's go, guys. Oh, di ba? Oh, ang ganda. Wow. Di ba? Oh, parang ang sarap dito ikasal, no? Naranasan mo ba ikasal? Ayan. Yan, si Benji, nakasal na yun, eh. Ilang lechon ngayon sa'yo, G? 10 lechon. Grabe, no? Kalon siya. Now, tingnan natin yung bahay, okay? So, nakita natin partially yung lawn, the space, and the other feature of the property. Now, we will check out the main house. Let's go, Benji. Okay, again, this is the main entrance. Okay. Wow. Grand staircase. Okay, either side, you have a balcony with a view of the farm. And then the other side, you have the view of the swimming pool. And then papunta dun sa other side, the dining area. Then this is the main door. Okay, napakaganda ng main entrance, guys, no? Balinese inspired. Let's dive inside. Let's go. So upon entering, so you have seating area. You have a dining space. Of course, ang ganda, no? Look. So as per the seller, no, this one isn't included. Right, the rest stays. Okay, again, ito yung dining area. So right here, your kitchen space. Okay, you have the island counter over here. Storage. Okay, you have the chandelier. You have straight counter. And then you have sink. So malakas ang tubig. Then you have a cooking space again right here, which stays in the property. Alright, so dito sa taas, so you have rooms. Now, tingnan natin yung bedroom. Okay. So right here, meron ka ditong internet. Okay. So over here, right, this is the first room. Now, so you have seating area. So this room can accommodate a king-size bed. No? Pwede siyang gawing master bedroom dito sa baba. And then you have a bathroom. And then you have the air conditioning unit. Plus, you have a inner wash area and then the water closet. And then a big sliding. Right here, under stairs, ito yung pinaka-storage area. Tingnan natin sa itaas, guys. So on this side, you have right. So this is the family area. Then you have bedrooms and then rooms. Okay, so you have room, marami lang mga boxes, guys. So this room can accommodate a king size bed. Then right here, you have, this is your open below. Yeah. Then adjacent, additional room. Ayan, dito sa side na to, guys. Now, the master bedroom, I think nandun sa baba. Pero you have 2 guest house dito sa likod. Okay. Tignan natin. Malaking property, no? Ang ganda. Yeah. Kailangan dito mga 3 caretaker para lalong ma-maintain. So, meron ka ng mga wall-mounted air conditioning unit. Now, tingnan natin the guest rooms, which is here. Okay. So, over here, you have a koi pond. Ayan. So, you have a pond, the area. So, kailangan itong linisin kasi may mga lumot na, no? Pero pag nalinis na po yan, lalong gaganda yung property. And then, right here, this is the guest room. 2 room po ito. Tingnan natin. So, very spacious. So, you have a smart TV. Then, you have a bathroom space here. And then, a sliding with a view of the green dito sa likod. And this is the bathroom space. Look. With the water heater. Very spacious bathroom area. Right now, mayroon ditong family na caretaker. Pero for me, no, suggestion, mas maganda dito magkaroon ka ng 3 caretaker. What do you think?
Yes.
No, dahil sa lapad, sa laki ng property, at madami kang i-improve talaga siya, no? I-enhance. Lalong gaganda yung property, lalo na pag na-enhance to siya, guys. Right there, so additional guest room. Guest room, ang laki ng mga koi. So this is the koi pond. So kailangan siyang i-drain and then linisan. Alright, lalo siyang magiging impressive. So again, itong side na to, you have a guest room. Then dito sa side na to, meron kang something different, no? Pahingahan, no? Dito sa itaas. Diba, Benji?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think, alright, mayroon pa doon, no? You have a outdoor area, no? Tingnan natin, Benji. Maraming mga feature na mag-i-enjoy kayo, no? Dito sa property. And marirelax kayo dito, guys. So, maganda siyang gawing income generating property, no?
Yes.
Pauupahan mo siya. Of course, over here you have the outdoor area. The prayer area, guys. So, you have the outdoor area over here. I think this is the prayer area. Then, the other side, ito naman po ang kanilang access papunta doon sa swimming pool. See? Right. Oh my God. Ang laki at ang lapad ng swimming pool. What do you think? What can you say, Benji? Wow. Diba? Sobrang ganda. Alright, now, before we end our farmhouse tour dito po sa Alfonso, Barangay Mangas, Alfonso, Cavite, thank you so much to our listing agents, to our brokers, of course to the seller for allowing us to film the real estate. So this one with the total land area of 1.2 hectares. So you have main house, you have additional guest house, plenty of gazebo, you have big size swimming pool. Tamang-tama ito sa magkaroon ng team building, no? Sa isang company na rerentahan itong the whole property. Kasi you have the basketball court, you have anything, no? You have a space for your helicopter, etc. The moment na mamumunga na yung mga puno, talagang mag-harvest ka dito ng mga tons of fruits, no? Mga fruit trees. Fruit bear, yung mga bunga, di ba, Benji?
Yes.
Okay? So this one is selling in the market for 90 million pesos. If you're interested or anyone interested to check out and buy this massive farmhouse, It's a Balinese-inspired property dito po sa Mangas, Alfonso, Cavite. Contact us today on the numbers visible on the screen. My name is Ray and I hope to see you in our next video. Thank you so much. Dagang salamat. Gracias amigo all over the globe. God bless everybody.